YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Y'all should know your boy and your girl Maddie by now, man. Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you in the shoebox on the wall. Look, the fam, y'all know what I'm talking about when I say on the wall. Y'all deserve a detailed review. Don't go nowhere. We're going to unbox 2 shoes now. And before we do this, do me a favor. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Leave a comment. You know, hit the like button, dislike button. Don't matter to me. I love interacting. You can see, trust me, if you see the comments, I'm going to get back to you. So this is what me and Maddie's here for. We're going to keep y'all entertained. We're going to keep the shoe community. Look, we're going to keep giving back. Bottom line, I'm going to help my hood out here in Atlanta, Georgia, as well as Chicago. Got some projects coming up in Chicago, too. Southside, your boy on the way. So, look, we're going to do this like this. I just had to, kind of reintroduce myself to some of the new. I don't call them subs, to my family, to the Retro fam, and to the Retro gang. Enjoy. Let's get into it. The wall now. See, people know when I say the wall is going to go down because I'm going to try to get detailed as possible. We got the Nike SB, the box. You got the collab with the Nike SB. It's a skater. I think his name was Eric, Castrada or Eric. I do know it's Eric. Retail 110. I got these from Wish Atlanta out there on Moreland Avenue, East Atlanta. Size 12. Your boy size, 13.5 in women's. You see the new QR code so you can do the legit check. We're going to hop right into it. Before we do that, man, hey, man, shout out to my guy Mike Rich, man. Y'all know what's going on. I appreciate the advice on me, too, man. We're going to stay double strong out here. We're going to keep giving back, hitting them over the head with this heating content. Good looking, big homie, man. And that Vigi was dope. When I say Vigi, I mean videos. So let's get right into it. Got this low top. Look, I'm going to tell y'all now. If y'all don't know me, my name is Retro. I wear low top. I don't care if man, low top, mids, you pay for it. It don't matter, man. Look, we ain't doing this right now. I don't rock the lows, I only rock the highs. I don't rock the highs, I only rock the mids. Whatever you rock it well. That's all I'm going to say, man. Let's get into it. That's out the way. You got the SB collab, Nike SB, that Carolina blue. Nah, to that Jordan still, Carolina, SB, inside. Told y'all when we hit the wall, we're going to get detailed as possible. Air Jordan Wings logo, that trademark. Let's go. We're going to pull out the shoe tree. Let y'all know what's going on. Shoe tree. Make sure y'all look like this and whatever your size is, of course. I don't know if y'all can see in there, Retro fam. There you go. That's another way you can do a legit check. So you got the SB collab with the Jordan for the other shoe. Love this. You know, your boy got a lace fetish. They give you laces, extra laces, the Carolina blue if you want to switch it up. So, of course, on the bottom as well, you got the Carolina blue. Can't leave that out. Leather, I mean, it's decent. Let me see. I got the shoe tree out of this one. See the bounce back. Y'all see that? Show that detail. So, okay. Once again, like I say, them extra laces, man. I like when they do the extra laces of the shoe tree. So, I say to each his own, man. Your collection is your collection. I'm proud to have this pair in the shoebox. The Retro fam and the Retro gang, held me down in line. Shout out to Wish once again. Shout out to my guy Mike Rich. So look, man, this pair drop Monday. Get you a pair if you can. For people that resell, y'all know what's going on. Go for the money sizes. It don't bother me. I'm gonna get my size regardless. That's how we gonna do that. Get your size though, man. I'm gonna check this here. So we on the wall. Don't go nowhere. Matter of fact, I gotta go and hit the music. Yeah. Talk to them, cuzzo. They sleep. Yeah. So look, check this out. SBs, you know what's going on with the Carolinas. Y'all seen those now, okay? So Y'all reading everything correctly? It is what it is. Let's read. Let's get right into it, man. It's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Come on, man. Sell Obsidian University Blue. What can it be? QR code. You know, you can check. Legit check. Zoom in. Gonna get right into the box. You got the Nike. Got the number. Where it came from. Since we in that theme, I guess of that blue, that Carolina, these come out August 31st. Your boy and your girl got them here. I'm loving the blue right off the rip. That's why I'm showing you that particular blue. I'm the Carolina colorway is working on me, but let's get into it, Retro family, Retro gang. Can't even hold y'all up no more. Let's do it. Hey, if you don't know, stick around. I'm gonna pick a pair. I'm gonna wait the dead. Retro family, Retro gang, I'm gonna wait the dead on one of these pairs. It's gonna be an on foot. When we say waking the dead, we on foot, undsing them, ASAP. So look, I probably know by the time, the video over with. See what's going on. She got this off-white. Man, the blue going hard. This particular blue, that Yankees blue, it's going hard. It makes the shoe, to me, stand out a little bit better. The leather, this is crocodile. That's what me and Maddie call buttery. You got the back, blue, the Carolina blue mixed in. Sheesh. Let's get right into it. This leather here, man, let me take the shoe tree out first. Shoe tree. Hey, man, shout out to my guy, man, Neff Dollars, man. Follow my guy, Neff Dollars, on IG, man. Trust me. Tell him Retro sent you, man. Man, we gonna get right into this. I can't. Okay, see that? Size 12, my size. Nike Air, the inside of the sole. You got, everything is pretty much like off-white or that bone color besides the tongue. So you got the Nike here, Air here. Showing you the back. You got navy laces here. Trademark, let's get in on that. It's leather, man, come on, man, it's nice. It's some nice leather. Other shoe here. Let's get this out this way. Oh, told you, the boy got a lace feather, so already we winning. We got the laces, double laces on deck. Lace bag. Once again, I know each shoe gonna be different. I got a lot of Jordan 1s. Y'all check out some of my other videos. You'll see in the shoe box what I'm talking about behind me. So, this one, they did, actually, both of mine, this, y'all tell me. Crocodile buttery here. Crocodile buttery here. Retro and Maddie approved. So, my guy, Neff Dollars, once again, Neff Dollars, IG, I'm gonna leave the description below, man. Good looking out, homie, on this early pair. This pair don't come out to August 31st. I reached out to you, let you know, man, we're going to start doing early reviews. My boy, hey, look, pull the rabbit out the hat for the game. Good looking, Neff. And my boy is Retro fam and Retro gang. Believe that. New York, stand up, NYC. So, sheesh. Once again, I gave y'all 2 reviews. Like I said, I've been off 2 for a while. We back. Gonna keep hitting y'all over the head with this heat and content. And, y'all know what it's time for, man? Which one, y'all? Which pair? Which pair? These retail, I apologize for $160 if I didn't say plus tax. But I pay a little bit more than that. Holler at Neff, he'll work with you. But they not out yet. Y'all want me to go and rock these. Leave a comment. I'm gonna wait the dead regardless. When I wait the dead on this particular shoe, whichever one we pick, let me know that I make the right choice, or should I wait it to wait the dead? I'm gonna wait the dead regardless on, I don't know which pair. We finna figure it out right now. Matter of fact, let's wait the dead. Let's get it. Leave a comment below. I mean, right decision?
What up, Retro?
I think so.
Yeah, let's go.
Man, on that.
Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. The Retro, yo, he be the man.
Sheesh.
Get them gifts in advance. Stockpiling, but
Undead stocking. We waking the dead around here, man. Let's get it.
You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If you scuffle me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch.
Hey, we're gonna sign out like this as usual. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, stop playing with us, man. Still a whole lot of gang. Let's get it.